Situated just off Sutton Place South in one of the East Side's most desirable neighborhood is 455 East 57th Street. Join us to take a look at Residence 12A here at 455 East 57th Street.
Wow, look at these 3 large windows facing south. This living room is flooded with natural sunshine. It is fantastic.
Did you know this is a one-of-a-kind apartment in the building? This apartment was originally part of a large 7-room home divided years ago, but 12A got the best part, the big square living room and a corner bedroom which even has a river view. Don't you just love this extra place? It's a wonderful breakfast bar, even a home office. This kitchen has wonderful stainless appliances, granite countertops, and cherry-stained maple cabinetry.
I love the details in this apartment. Wide plank mahogany wood floors, brass fittings on all the doors, arched entries, and 4 large closets, including 1 walk-in. And let's not forget, there's a bath and a half.
Don't forget, this apartment transfers with a storage room. Yes, I said room. In addition to 24-hour doorman and a live-in resident manager, residents enjoy a bicycle room, laundry room, and is pet and pied-à-terre friendly. There is a new $100 million green space project in the works, building a pedestrian bridge across the East River and adding 11 miles of bike trails just off the East River Esplanade.
If you'd like to schedule a time to see this high-floor 1-bedroom flooded with natural sunshine,
give us a call or send us an email.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.